Hi everyone, welcome to the beginner's guide to Midjourney. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you all the basics that you need to know before using Midjourney. Welcome to the channel, let's dive into it. In case you don't know, I'm in a private server with a Midjourney bot on it. If you don't know how to invite a bot to your private Discord server, I already made a video on it, so feel free to watch it and come back here. I'm going to start by showing you the commands list first. To access it, simply write down slash. Here you can scroll down and see all the commands that are available. Let's find the settings and simply click on it. To access the settings menu, hit enter. And here's our default settings. Here you can see different Midjourney versions. Version 4 is the latest version, and if you are going to ask what is the difference between version 4 and version 1, basically version 4 has access to a larger database and also uses an improved algorithm, so it gives better results. But in some cases you might want to use version 1. For example, if you want to generate something abstract, version 1 might be a better fit. To switch between the versions, just simply go over and click on them. Midjourney will automatically add the suffix of your choice for your future generations, so you don't have to do it by hand every single time. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to keep it at 4. Ninja mode is recently being introduced. Basically, it turns on the anime mode. If you want to create something in that style, you might want to turn that switch on. MJ test and MJ photo test are not that important, so I'm going to skip that part. Quality indicates the detail of a generated image. If you change it to a high mode, it costs twice as many credits and also takes more time to generate an image. So let's keep that in base mode. Style may be the most crucial part of the settings. By default, Midjourney bot has been trained to produce images that favor artistic color, composition, and forms. Low stylization values produce images that closely match the prompt but are less artistic, and high stylization values create images that are very artistic but less connected to the prompt. I'm going to skip upscales, just keep that in regular. Public mode means that whatever you generate will be shown in the community feed on Midjourney's homepage. If you want to keep it private, select the stealth mode. I'm going to skip the remix mode. Fast and relax mode indicates how much GPU will be used in your prompt. Relax mode uses more GPU and takes more time to generate an image. But if you have a basic subscription plan or you are a free user, you cannot turn the relax mode. So let's keep it as it is. To simply close settings, click on dismiss message. Now let's generate our first image. To do that, write down /imagine and hit enter. Here's the prompt structure that I use. It's not mandatory, but I find it easy to remember. So I'm going to write down my composition. It could be portrait, close-up, wide shot, medium shot, you name it. But I'm going to write down landscape. And the second part of our prompt will be our medium. You can write down comic style drawing, ballpoint pen sketch, collage, etc. So let's write down oil painting as a medium. In the third part, we are going to add our adjectives. Type as much as you can. Now let's write our object and try to use something that can be easily found on the internet, like cats, spaceships, mountains, etc. And finally, let's stylize our prompt. Here you can write down your favorite artist or an art style that you want to replicate. Let's hit enter to generate our first AI image. Here's our AI generated image, and as you can see, there are 4 of them. Image number 1, image number 2, 3, and 4. They are small in size, and if you want to enlarge one of them, simply click on the corresponding U button down below. U means upscale, so let's say you want to upscale the fourth one, you need to click on U4. And if you want to generate different images based on one image you select, simply click on the corresponding V button. V stands for variation, and this little recycle button regenerates the image. So let me show you an example. Let's say I like the fourth image, but I want to see 3 more images in a similar setting. I just simply click on V4, and here's our image. It's derived from our previous generation. And let's say I didn't like this one, so I'm going to click on the recycle button to regenerate. This looks better, so I really like the first image and I want to save a higher quality version of it. And now I'm going to click on U1, and here's our upscaled image. To save it to your computer, simply click on the thumbnail, then click on the right mouse button and select Save Image. And that's Midjourney for beginners. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.